Hey guys, good night, good night, good night. All right, welcome everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are an early bird, go ahead and say hi. Hey guys, good night, good night, good night. All right. All right, as you know, it's Saturday Night Live, and we are here ready to go for another round. Good night, Mr. Reed. Good night, Rihanna. All right, let me. All right, as you know, it's Saturday. Anyways, all I do. You can let me know in the chat. All right, give me a second, guys. Let me just go ahead and share the link. All right, are you ready for another night of work? Look of fun in the mix. All right, so let me go ahead and share the link. All right, guys, so you know the drill. As long as you're early, go ahead and share the link with those who are not here as yet. Those who probably were going to be late. Remember, make sure to send the link to Stacy so that Stacy don't come on 1 hour into the live, because for 2 weeks straight, Stacy late. All right. So, yep, share the link with all those with everybody you can share it with. All right, so all right, well, all right, so I hope all you're doing is tonight. All right, guys, so again, just in case you're new here, it's DG Makes Math Easy, and this is our Saturday Night Live. For those of you who are on right now, let me just say that we have a new feature coming up, which is gonna be 3-a-day multiple choice marathon. Anyways, soon telling about that. Sorry, testing 1 2. So once you know somebody who's going to benefit from our live tonight, go ahead and send the link, send the link, send the link. All right. Forward, forward, forward. All right, big up if you're early. If you're early. Tum, 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 tum. All right. So, yep. We are here, present, ready, up, running. Don't mind me being distracted. I don't know, so we soon start. All right, so make sure say wanna have on a snack this week close by because I want nobody complain. Say them not have nothing to eat, and all the rest of us are being mean. All right, so let me check if Rennie she reach it. Testing, 1, 2. Okay. Oh. All right. Oh, so Rihanna, I'm fine. But just to see the message them come. Hey, Stacy early, guys. Stacy early. Stacy present. All right. Shout out to LVG Salter, present and ready. Nicola, I see you. All right. And Rihanna, I love asking me that tricky question this one. All right. So hopefully we'll get out of here by like 8:30 latest. All right. So we're about to begin. So go ahead and share the link. Well. Yeah. All right, guys. Tonight, we're taking it a bit easy on ourselves. So share with you the topic. Okay. All right, Rennie can almost get left. All right, guys, again, welcome to those who never come on too early. So, yep, we're here. Send. All right, so you know how we do it. Of course, this evening we're going to be focusing on a number of CSEC questions. Yep. Oh, this guy again. All right, so we'll start in 2 minutes, 7:08, and we're not go past 7:10 without starting. So go ahead and now is our time to share. All right, so let me see who else there. I'm not here, so I'm gonna pick up nobody, you know. Hello, Carrie. I see you. As Jonelle. Hi, Jonelle, you're back. I haven't seen Adriana. Adriana, if you're there, let me know that you are here. Adriana. Oh, thank you, Mr. Reed. Thank you. You know me already. You don't know my art. You know some is there. All right. All right. So, hold on. Let me check something. Because I know outside sounds in our thing tonight. All right, so another kind of tell me. All right, let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. It's very important that I know that you can hear me through that mic. Can you? Oh, happy birthday to Stacy's daughter. Tomorrow she's going to be 18. Tell me her name so we can shout her out, etc., etc. All right, so. Okay, Brian, I know. I see your message. All right, so 7:10 and we kick things right off. All right, so we're ready. If you're ready, so ready. You know the drill. If you're ready, let me know. Say ready in the chat, and we will kick things off. All right, so this evening, guys, as I say, I don't know nothing from Mario, none at all. Okay. All right. All right, so we're ready. Again, okay, awesome. I'm glad you can hear me. All right, awesome, guys. Thank you. Good night. J5ELP. I'm not sure who you are, so I can't even respond. But yeah, welcome. All right, guys, our last chance before we begin to just share the link with somebody who we know can benefit. Hey Anthony, good night. Yes, I don't know where Adriana is from, but do anybody did send her link class, you can send her again. All right, so yes. All right, shout out to Ashley Johnson. So happy birthday when it comes tomorrow, Ashley. Happy birthday. All right, so we are going to kickstart things pretty soon. By the way, guys, I buy one new stylus. Yeah. So I'll be testing that out tonight. Carrie, let me know. I'm not sure who's Carrie, but let me know. All right, guys. Again, as usual, you can go ahead and rep your school. So, like over there, let me just say it again. So, starting Monday, we'll be having a 3-a-day multiple choice marathon. I know you may have already seen the promo video that I did on it. Multiple choice. We'll be doing 3 multiple choice questions every day from Monday to Friday, 3 o'clock. So we're going at it. All right. So guys, it's only just big and better every time. All right. So we don't got to worry. All right. So I know when we come here in the nights, we are doing just paper 2 questions. So that's why I have come up with this feature so we can, hey, charming Christine. So we can get through some multiple choice questions. My day was lovely. I enjoyed church today, Anthony. I enjoyed. Okay. Okay, Mr. Troy. All right. Hi, Miss Charming Christine. This is the first time I'm seeing you commenting, so I don't know if you're new. So guys, once you come on and you're new, you can let us know and we'll shout you out specially. And chat now. And after that, we expect you to subscribe. All right, so look out for Monday to Friday episode, guys. 3-a-day multiple choice, and it's at 3 p.m. Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. So this evening we're doing consumer arithmetic. So we're mixing up things a little bit. A lot of persons probably thought that this would have been like in one of the first episodes. All right, so if you have not been on with us for the past 4 weeks, then you know it's, oh, you go again now. The first week we did fractions. Second week we did decimals. Then we went to functions. Then we went to consumer arithmetic is today. Coordinate geometry. And then tonight now we are here. All right, share the link and we're ready. So we're gonna really start off with some basics. All right, and it's strictly CSET questions again. This table really has to do with unit price and total price, etc. And we know the basics where that is concerned. Just simple things like if I one pocketbook, I'm kidding, I'm gonna buy pocketbook again. If one tablet costs $8,000, simple things like this. $8,000 for one tablet, how much is it for 3? $8,000 would have been what we call the unit price. Unit. When we think unit, we think of the number 1. And so it's $8,000 per tablet. That would be a unit price. And everybody know what total price be. If Mr. We buy 3 of them, which would be 3 times 8,000, giving us 24,000. All right, so make sure you have a calculator nearby as well, so that when you're giving me answers in the chat, we can move a little faster, may I say? Yeah. All right. So welcome to anybody who is new. Again, let me see if I left out anything I'm supposed to say. Yeah, you can rep your school if you want. All right. So here we go. Let me totally clear the screen. This question says we have some items on Amanda's shopping bill: stickers, t-shirts, CDs, posters, etc. All right, and we are told that yes, some numbers were removed and replaced with letters in the table right now. So as you can see, we have in the total price column there's an A, in unit price column there's a B, quantity column there's a C there, and total price D. All right, we are obviously going to find those, as part 1 says calculate the values of A, B, C, and D. So we have a nice example in the second row, that part that says stickers. First item, 13 stickers at $0.49. And look up on your calculator, just in case the trick, and it says $0.49 times 13. And we are being told that, of course, we have our total price of $5.88. Interesting. All right. So anybody want to double check that for me? We have 13 stickers at 49 cents each. What's our total price? First person put in the chat. Let me see if my picture is still in the top. All right, so again, once you are here, you can go ahead and share. Okay. All right, so I'm going to enlarge the question a bit. Okay, I see. All right, I'm going to enlarge the question a bit. All right. All right, so as you await, I'm just going to ensure that our questions can be seen properly. All right. So, yes, guys. And I see an answer in the chat. I do see an answer in the chat. Hello, hello, hello. As we say, we're starting off really nice and easy tonight. And I'm just ensuring that the problem doesn't repeat with the other questions. All right. So I'm giving us a nice little enlargement here. All right. So here we go. All right, so this should be a tiny bit better. All right. All right, so actually, uno correct, right? That's what my calculator said as well. Anyway, so here we go, guys. Yes, all of you, all of uno, correct. All right, so we now have, it says, Amanda sold, oh, so we are gonna calculate the different values. Let me know when you can see, guys. Let me know when you can see before I move on. As soon as say on can see, then I will continue. Sorry about that. Then I will continue to write. Dun, 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 dun. All right, and I will also read as we go along, because remember last week, yeah, I remember last week someone had an issue with seeing, but it was a matter of their YouTube being a little blurred. So, all right, so we have calculate the values of A, B, C, and D. Let me put the live chat on this screen. All right, so if we have t-shirts, 3 t-shirts, and the unit price, so the price of one t-shirt is $12.50, how much do you think the total price for these 3 t-shirts is going to be? What would be the value of A? What would be the value of A? 3 t-shirts, and one of the t-shirt them is $12.50. So how much is going to be our total price? Testing, 1, 2. All right. What do you think is going to be our total price there? All right. I'm seeing one answer. I'm seeing one answer. All right. I'm missing 2 answers, and that's actually correct. All right. So, of course, because I want all your maths, I'll show your workings. So you're going to say, how did I get to A? A is going to be equal to 3 times 1250. Even though this is a paper 2 question and you have the calculator, you also show the person who is going to mark your paper. You know how you get the answer. All right. So that's going to be 30. $7.50, right? With the point 5. All right, good. And then we're gonna move to B. We're gonna move to B, and B says, we have 2 CDs. We don't know the unit price, but we have the total price. We want to find out how much for one. So if 2 CDs cost $33.90, how much for 1 CD? That's all the question asking us. All right, good. And I'm seeing one answer coming in already. All right. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So remember again, we have 2 CDs. Should buy 2 CDs for $33.90. We want to find out what the cost is for 1 CD. Then we want the unit price. That's where B is. All right. So as long as, very good. And I'm seeing the working coming in as well. Jonelle says how she got $16.95 is to split that $33.90 into 2. All right, let me address a few things. So somebody gave an answer of 66. Hey, Tajmar, $66. Even if you were multiplying $33.90 by 2, don't forget that there's 90 cents at the back. All right, but that's not the answer, guys. All right, so if some of them cost $33.90, then we're gonna chip in like everyday stuff and just split the money in 2 so that we get the price of 1. All right, so that's gonna be $33.90 divided by 2, and so that indeed is gonna get us to, let me see how much people read the answer. Talk to me, guys, talk to me. Oh, I see somebody divided by 3. It's 2 CDs, all right, 2 CDs. All right, so I see 2 persons, 2 persons early with the correct answer. And that's going to be $16.95. All right. Of course, we're going to also find C. So if you, by the way, guys, if you got it, so got it. All right. And when we get to C now, we want to find how many posters did she buy? How many posters she buy? Because obviously, we're given the unit price. We're given the total price. But we want to know, so we know she buy a certain number of posters at $6.20 each, and the final amount is $31 for all of the poster them. So talk to me. All right, I see. Good job, guys. All right, I see one answer coming so far for C. And I see the working coming in as well. So talk to me, what would be the quantity there? How many posters we know she should buy? All right, I see the answer is coming in. Good. And so far, you're all correct. All right, the answer would have been 5. So since the total price is $31, and we know that they were bought at $6.20 each, all we need to do is divide that $31 by, $6.20. And we get 5 items. So that's 5 posters. All right. Now part 2, Again, if you got it here, so you got it. All right. Part 2 says, Amanda sold 6 of the 12 stickers, which she had bought for 75 cents each. Show using calculations whether Amanda made a profit or loss on buying and selling stickers. All right. Again, we're gonna find see it. All right, guys. So, all right. I see that we got it. We got it. D says we should. Well, when we look at D, we see that what's next to D, the same row there, is 15% tax. All right, 15% value added tax. At this point, you need to calculate tax based on the total amount that was given here. All right. And so if the total bill is $108.28, what would the tax be? All right, I'm waiting to see. Once you calculate the tax, you can go ahead and put it in the chat. Guys, once you're done, as usual, once you finish writing, you can take the opportunity to share the link so that other persons can join. If not, you know, stay on and do your work. So once you're finished writing, every time you get to a place you're done right, but you wait for everybody else, then you can go ahead and do that. All right, I see the answer coming in. All right, so remember now, the tax is 15% of the total price. So let's see what happens. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, Shaban. Welcome. It's nice to see you. Shout out going to Shaban. All right. So guys, you know your total price. Total price. Well, it was even given. Total price is going to be equal to 108.28. My bad. What? Wait, all of that gone. Okay. 108.28. So if I want to find the tax, it's 15%. Don't forget the 15, guys. I see somebody in the chat saying 15 times the 108.28, $108.28. But remember, it's 15% of that you're finding. So it's gonna be 15 over 100. As I said, go for the calculator them if you don't have them. All right. If you don't have your calculator right next to you, go for it from now because you're going to need it. Once you touch that profit and loss section on your paper, profit and loss, units, price, quantity, higher purchase, all of them something there. Once you touch this, you're gonna need, yes, John L. Yes. Once you touch there, you are going to need a calculator. You can do that with a calculator, no, just that it's going to take you so much longer. All right. So now we can wait for the right answer. All right. All right. Just make sure you have the resources. I see you, Anthony. But make sure you have your tingling them close to you when the live will start because you're gonna need. All right. So we want to know what 15% of that 108 is. So it's 15 divided by 100 times 10. Okay. I take my mic lock off. 108.28. All right. What's the answer going to be? Yeah, I see it coming in. All right. All right, so I see. So guys, what did you get on the calculator? $16. Well, 16.242. And if you're rounding off, then you get to stop at 16.24, $16.24. But don't just say 16, all right? Hello, Tay Ann. I hope I pronounced that right. Welcome. It's the first I'm seeing you commenting, so I don't know if you are new. If any, you can let me know. All right, so good job so far, guys. So we know that the tax is $16.24. Now, I bet you any money that after this, you probably will need to, since as there's a part 2 to the question, you need to know how much money she pay in total, right? So if the total amount of money before tax is $10.28, and then we also got a $16.24, sorry, $108.28 plus the tax, $16.24. How much we are going to end up with for our final bill? Go ahead and tell me in the chat. All right. Well. Okay. How much? And while you do that, it's because I do that because I want you to start always think forward before you even know what they're going to ask you. Start to think about what the question is saying, what are the things that they can ask you from it, etc. And make everything just go and run up and down in your mind, and then you put where you want. You give them what they ask for. All right, so it says Amanda sold 6 out of the 12 stickers, which she had bought at 75 cents each. Amanda sold 6 of the 12 stickers, which she had bought at 75 cents each. Show using calculations whether Amanda made a profit or loss on buying and selling stickers. So Amanda sold 6 of the 12 stickers that she had bought. She bought the stickers and now she's selling them at 75 cents each. Is she going to make a profit on the stickers, or is she going to make a loss? All right, so John L had said total, even though we won't be needing it, but I'm just saying you can just start thinking of these things in your head. All right, John L had said that you okay, Tayan, I see that you are new. Welcome. I know you may laugh off a door. All right, so we have yes, $124.52, $124.52 would have been the total, because they could have asked that as well. But anyway, good. So Amanda bought the All right, let me just make a correction on the screen, right? Since as the question has a typo in it, so that it's not confusing. So the reason why this 588 was correct, hold on guys. The reason this 588 was correct, can you help me with this please? Is that, as we can see now in part 2 of the question, here. There were 12 stickers bought, really. All right. So this part is certain correct. The information I'm getting now is correct. There are 12 stickers bought, at $0.49. That's why the total price is $5.88. Remember, at the front part, I totally forgot to clear it up. When I allowed you to cross-check the quantity times the unit price, I realized that $5.88 was off. So that's because it was 12 stickers that were bought, not 13. All right. Deidre. Hi, Deidre. All right, Deidre, when you get to here, you're going to realize that you are a little tiny bit behind, probably about 2 minutes behind the live. So just skip to the end of your screen, all right? So, okay. Question. All right, somebody says she made a profit. So let's see how this goes. Rihanna, one. Okay. All right, I see. All right, so don't forget to share the link, guys. All right. So, she bought the 12 stickers. Of course, the price she paid for them in all was $5.88. She sold 6 of the stickers at 75 cents. And it's kind of straightforward, but you can use your calculations to show that 6 times $0.75. Let me see if anybody say it yet. All right, 6 times 75 cents. What will we get? All right, we can just run this part straight. Hello, Mr. Kevin Murray. Good to see you. All right, so $6, 6 stickers times $0.75. She's definitely going to make a profit because, of course, she had bought them at $0.49. But since it said show, then you can show. All right, you can show, say, when she sell them, she gets, $4.50 for those 6. But if it was a case where the material say, she sell only 6 stickers and she never sell off the next 12, like she probably give them away, then obviously should I make one loss, right? Because $4.50 compared to $5.88 would have been terrible. Hi, Alcia. Hi, Alcia. I see you. Hey, Naomi. Yes, thank you, Jonel, for answering. The topic that we're doing tonight is consumer arithmetic, and we won't cover all of it, definitely, so I won't promise you that. But again, you can check out our previous live videos, number 1 to 4, fractions, decimals, coordinate geometry, functions. All right. Yes, Tamar. All right, so here we go. Now this one says a trader bought 1,000 oranges for $500. Now enter your pay attention if they say $500 or $500 each. Well, we know nobody number one orange for $500. But all right. So pay attention to when the question says this money or this money for each. All right, so 1,000 oranges, $500. 80 of them were bad. So already you start saying in your mind, say, all right, 1,000 orange, 80 of them spoil. How much of them should still have figure, sell a market? No. All right, answer that in the chat because me not gonna answer it yet. All right, oranges remaining would have been blah, blah, blah. You start thinking about that. Then you realize, oh, bingo, you're thinking correctly because the next sentence say, she sold the remainder in packets of 4. So she package out the orange them nicely. All right. So, and it says now she sell each of these packets for $3.50. Guys, all of this are common sense, so none of the information overwhelm you. All right, so Adrian, oh my, I love the spelling of that name. I hope I pronounced it right. All right, and I see Stefina Edwards. Welcome, Stefina. First time seeing. All right, so here we go. Rihanna, that's correct. Jonel, that's correct. Stefina, that's correct. Now, so we have 920 orange left. All right, fine. So we say now, she gonna sell them, but she package them out in a 4-4. How many packets of 4 can she get? That's the question now. How many packets of 4 can, when we keep on say she, like a woman alone sell orange, how many packets of 4 can the trader get out of this 920 that's left? So, number of packets. All right. Miss Gordon? All right, good job, guys. Good job, good job. Yep, so we have 230. Oh, we get that? We're gonna be like 920, split them up in a 4-4. We're gonna have 230 packets. Beautiful. This is how you walk yourself through the question, right? And then it says each of these packets are sold for $3.50. So you ask yourself now, how much money all of the orange them end up sell for? All right, total amount received. That's what the part 1 had asked anyway. All right, so total amount of money she received is gonna be equal to, and I'm awaiting your answer in the chat before I run ahead and put that there. Jedediah said, don't send her no text because she already get her notification on YouTube. All right, so, yep. So now we have 230 packets. And they are being sold for $3.50 each. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right answer. All right, good. Actually, nobody not get it wrong. Somebody I want to type on, she ball out fast. So I know that she didn't mean bread. So, all right, so 230. And we know that's multiplying by $3.50 for those who didn't probably work it out, right? Or show you're working, right? Then this would be, of course, everybody correct, $805. So we're gone, how much of a marks is allotted to here? $805. So this is how you walk yourself through it, and this is how you write it, present it on the page as well. All right. Yes, Jessica. Yep, I see. All right, guys. So since as people are right, we just going to pause here so again, just in case you have persons who did not hear. Monday to Friday, starting Monday coming, every Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. we'll be having 3 a day multiple choice questions. So get ready for that. Aww. Sabina's a personality contagious. Okay. That's what math does to you. I'm going to disagree. All right, so. All right, guys, so we have now the percentage profit on the amount she paid for oranges. Now we just simply tell people this. You want to find percentage profit? Find the profit first. Obviously, you're going to need it. All right. Percentage profit. First of all, what is the profit? Tell me how much profit the trader make. Oh, yeah, that's why I call her she. Come know the question to she. I never remember. But anyways, yeah. So here we go. What is the profit? Anyways, give me a second, guys, if you don't know any technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. All right. Give me just a second. The screen is gonna go up, guys. Well, it must have gone up by now, but don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Boy, I saw the personality status. All right, so all right, we're getting there, guys. Give me just a second. All right, and disconnect. Sorry about that. All right, so we are back on track. Yes. All right, so I know you're going to see me any moment now. With them, if make a fix it yourself before you see me. I want to see me already. All right. So we know that she bought the oranges for $500, and now we're saying that how much you make off of them is $805. So what was the profit? Go ahead. Okay, I see that person that started to answer. All right. So Tajmar reminded us that, well, Tajmar stated that the profit would have been 305. So you lay it out nicely like so now for the examiner. And you say, all right, we're on track, we're on track. The profit is gonna be 805 minus 500, and that's where he got 305. All right, Stacy, osh. Now, percentage profit is calculated as this. So you wanna know the profit is how much percent of what you bought it for, right? So you want to know the profit is how much percent of what you bought it for. So the thing is, this is the reverse of, let me give you a situation. If they said the cost price, which is what the trader bought it for, is $500, and you are told that the profit is 20%, you would say 20% of 500, and you would have find that. But no, you're being told to find the profit percent. So what you're gonna do is find the profit, and watch me as I write and talk. Find the profit as a percentage of the cost price. So profit percentage or profit percent is, or percentage profit is calculated as profit divided by what you bought it for times 100. Go ahead and calculate that. So our profit is 305. I'll just leave that on the screen. 305 divided by our cost price, which is 500, times 100. And this will tell us how much percent profit we make on what we did buy it for. All right. So go ahead. And once again, we can light up the chat. All right, Stefina, I'm seeing you. Dun, dun, dun. All right, and that's indeed correct. Yep, I'm seeing them coming in 61%. All right, you can put all right in your calculator, all right? Otherwise, some person would just look and say, oh, them number are simple. All right, 100 into 500, 5 times 5 into that, and you get your answer. All right, which would be 61%. Good job, guys. Clap on yourself. All right. So that one never take too much time. Here we go. A company sells its printers to customers in order to make a profit of 25%. Calculate the price that a customer would pay for a printer that the company bought for $1,700. We'll get number one. All right, Zachary, I am going to, whoa. All right, let me just type in the chat for him. Zachary's gonna start at the front, which means he would be forever behind. So Zachary, please join us at the end. You can review question 1 afterwards. All right, thank you guys for being patient while I did that. All right, so the company buy it for $1,700. How much will the customer pay for it? Go ahead and tell me. The company wants to make a profit of 25%. So how much money do they need to make in profit? You can answer that first. How much money do they need to make in profit? So find out what's the profit first. All right, so it's bought for $1,700. And go ahead and tell me what's the profit. And as soon as I see the first answer, I'll go ahead and write it down. All right. All right. Thank you, Stefina. Tashmara, Stefina is reminding you to, add the little percentage sign at the end. Once again, guys, once you're done right on a way, you just go ahead and share the link to somebody. Use that little spare time there to share so that others can join. All right. So while you continue work, I'm just going to write it on the board as well. So we want to find the profit. And that's going to be equal to 25%, of course, of, which I'm going to replace with multiplication. $1,700. And I see the answer coming in. All right. Naomi, you're a little behind, little tiny bit behind. So you can scroll to the end of the live to catch you up. You're about 3 minutes behind. When I get here, you'll see that. Stacy, you as well. All right. All right, so I'm seeing the final answer and I'm also seeing the profit coming in. So the profit, of course, you are going to simplify this that we have on the screen and you will end up with $425 for your profit. So, and then now, what do we do to say how much the customer will pay for it? As Tajmar says now, the customer would pay a total of $2,125. All right, which would be because he's adding the profit to what the company bought the printer for. All right, and just watching the chat. All right, good job, guys. Good job, good job. All right, so part B says, we want to calculate the price that the company paid for a printer, which was sold to a customer for $2,500. All right, and persons generally misinterpret this part of the, when a question is written like this. But just read it probably 2 times and make it make sense to you. The price that the company paid for the printer, if the printer was now sold to a customer for $2,500, and $2,500 is a all right, so watch this now. There is the cost price. All right, so the cost price, we are going to attach a certain percentage to it. We know that the profit is 25%. But the fact is the profit is 25% because subconsciously we made the cost price be 100%. Right? So let me say that again. Because our profit is 25%, we found 25% of something, which was the cost price, which means we had represented at 25% out of an entire 100%. So watch this. So they bought it at a cost, and whatever that cost is, we know that it is 100%. All right? Cost price 100%. Whatever the cost price is, we know that the profit is 25% of that. How can we tell how much the company paid for it? So watch this. We know that the cost price plus the profit gave us was added to give us $2,500, which means we also know that 25% of the cost price is actually $2,500. 125%, sorry. So the cost price, where is it? So the cost price, which is 100%, plus the profit, which is, let me undo that, 25%. We know that all of that percentage, 125%, adds up to give 2,500. Because this money, Avin, what them buy for, plus what they add on to it. Full stop. So now that we know that, we're going to create a nice little, what's it called, a nice little ratio. All right. So, and you may know, supposed to know, that since we're saying the cost price plus the profit is what it's being sold for, then we know we have a term for this called the selling price. All right. By the way, I'm going to erase all of this now. Let me go to 10 seconds, just in case person can write this off the screen. Erase all of this. So we're taking our time so that if you see a question like this again, you know exactly what to do. All right, so we're going to work with what do we know? We know that, let's look at cost price and the selling price. We're going to compare them. We know that our cost price is 100%. So this is a percentage part. We also know that our selling price is 125%. I'm using that row for percentage. Now we're going to look at dollars. And guys, tricks and trade matches back in business. Ratio helps solve so many things. Once you're comparing two quantities, go and do your ratio and you're good. In terms of dollars, we don't know what the cost price is. I do try to find. In terms of dollars, we know that the selling price was $2,500. These two ratios, guys, are equal. Good for us, then two ratios are equal. All right. May I see the answer coming? Well, I'm seeing answers. All right. So we have 100. We have the ratios 100 to 125. X to 2,500. How we're fixing up a ratio, cost price to selling price. All right. Now people have this, well, you know this shortcut that because they, let me just tell you, and my grade 8, big up Tony who is on, know this. Once you have a ratio 100 to 125, equal to another ratio, X to 2,500. I hope you know a ratio is also a fraction, so I can write it like that. Their cross product is equal, which means when I multiply them go across, their answer should be equal to one another. All right, so let's do it right here. Same as if you just do it from here, that you this little ratio business up here so that you created. X times 125. That's going to disappear. X times 125 is going to be 125x. X times 2,500. It's going to be $250,000. Go ahead and find out what X is. Dun, dun, dun. Easy peasy, guys. All right, Tashmar, I see your answer, but you might want to double check it a bit. While we write, I'm just going to walk you through it again. They asked for the cost price. We know the selling price. Create one local ratio. You say, you know that the profit at a percentage of 25. And we know that the cost price, we always refer to the cost price as our base, which is our 100% base. 100% and 25% come together to give 125%. We know our cost price is 100%. We go to the dollars now. So what do we know? We know our selling price is 2,500, and we don't know our cost price. So go ahead and set up a ratio them, and then you do your cross multiplication. Divide both sides by 125. I see the answer coming in. What do we get? Which means if in the week my mother take me, I'm gonna just drop one question like this on the channel, then people supposed to can work it. All right. So just reason it out. Trust me, reason it out, then write down what you're saying in your head, write it down mathematically, and you're good to go. All right, 2,000 is correct. Yup, I see you come. Hi, Natasha. It's your first time. I think that's the first time I'm seeing you commenting. So I'm not sure if you're new, but if you are, welcome, welcome. All right, guys, feel free to subscribe if you're new. And yeah, invite other people to Saturday Night Live so we can work some questions together and be well on our merry way. All right, don't forget 3-a-day multiple choice questions every Monday to Friday, starting Monday coming, 3 o'clock. Come right here. So turn on your bell as a matter of fact, so that as it drop, you get it. All right. 3 o'clock, Monday to Friday. All right. I see the answers. Rihanna, tell you if all is well. Guys, if you got it, say got it. And work on algebra. Make sure it's on a thing turn up where that is concerned. All right. So we have one more percentage profit question, and then, okay, nice to have you, Natasha. All right, so guys, one more percentage profit question. That means that this time we're not supposed to, you know? All right, Tashmar, I see you. Anyway, draw near to the food then, because a snack time after the question here. I think so. All right. You're welcome, Stefina. This one say, Haley. That's she created, but that's she selling back. So Haley buys 18 bars of chocolate, which cost her $5.40. All right. To raise money for charity, she sells them at 40 cents each. And guess what? She managed to sell off all of them. What is her percentage profit? And as I tell you before, if you know if you can calculate percentage profit, which I'm going to leave the formula on the screen again. Percentage profit is going to be profit as a percentage of the cost price. I don't know that see this up crooked, but don't blame me. Blame the stylus. All right. So yeah, what though is her profit? Because we don't know that. We know how much she buy it for, but we don't know what her profit is. Calculate the profit and let me know. Calculate the profit and let me know. She sell them back at 40 cents each. All right. And every time you're waiting on us, remember you can always go ahead and share the link. I'm gonna lead by example. All right. Well. All right. What is her profit? Before we can know percentage profit, what is Haley's profit? Wow. All right. So, as we can see, all right, what would be Haley's profit? All right. And if you already calculate how much money she sell them for, you can let me know in the comments. All right. So of course she bought it. We know that she bought it for cost price is gonna be $5.40. And then her selling price is gonna be 40 cents. All right, Mr. Answer come. 40 cents. This is how you write up your working, by the way, if you get all your marks, all right? Times the 18 chocolate bars. How much did we get? All right, let me use a different color. All right, so our selling price, all right, I'm seeing a certain answer there. Well, let's see. All right, what is, as I say, she paid $5.40 for everything, for all the chocolate bars. And she sells them for 40 cents each. By the way, if you divide $5.40 by 18, then you're gonna get like 30 cents. Yep, $7.20 is correct. All right, $7.20 is correct. So already you know, so she make a profit. So just in case the question did ask earlier, does she make a profit or loss? You can she sell, she buy them for 30 cents and she sell them for 40 cents. So clearly a profit. But anyway, so the selling price is $7.20. So if you need to know her profit, then we need to subtract. Profit is that $7.20. Take away how much you bought it for, $5.40. How much will we get here? All right, $7.20 minus $5.40. How much will we get? By the way, big up to the people who don't even do maths, you know, but are you not even in school? But you tune into Saturday Night Live at 7 p.m. So big up on yourself. All right, yep. And we have our answer coming in. That would be, let me see, one person said so far. Someone want to see? Good. $1. $1.80. All right. That you didn't know that. All right. $1.80. Good. So that would have been the profit. Now find the profit percentage or percentage profit using the formula. Well. All right. All right. So let's be careful with our signs. All right, Carlene. Nice to meet you. I think it's the first time I'm seeing you commenting. All right. So I don't know if you're new, Carlene. So let's be careful with our what you call it now? Or points or decimal points. All right. So I see an answer that says 180. So which means the person did 720 minus 540 and forgot the point. All right. Or I might just want typo in the chat. Okay. So find our profit percentage. Well. And this one is just easy. After this, I'll say, drop your water or your snack or your little juice. And we know at the end, I see the answer coming in. I see it. All right. Yes, welcome, Carlene. All right, guys. Monday afternoon, bright and early. Good. Tune into 3-a-day multiple choice questions. Good. I see the answers. So I'm going to start writing. So that's $1.80 over $5.40 as a percentage. All right. So literally, guys, once you're asked to find percentage profit, remember you want to find out the profit is what percentage of the cost price. So it's like you're writing the fraction that represents profit out of cost price, and then you find percentage of it. Times 100, done. Yeah, and as we can see, listen to this go 3 times. That's going to be definitely 33.33%. Write it on your soul. All right, and we'll look at that there. So for sure, so we'll get pound calculator. More 3s did come after it. All right, I think it's time for us to be stressed, even though we're not thinking about the stress out. But yeah. All right, good. And Rihanna there typing the whole working in the chat. Beautiful. All right, guys, I want you to practice. Yeah, practice showing all the workings. Another piece of ear stubborn. Okay. Yeah. All right. Get on a snack. All right. So this is like just a 2-minute break for those who are new. This is like just a little 2-minute break where you can feast on something if you're hungry. If you're hungry, don't forget to share. Not just the link, but to share. Because people like Renique, even though I'm going to see her this evening, I'm always coming out with food and cost the rest of it. So, yeah. If you, yeah, sure, I can send them an email. I'm going to send them some. All right. So, in the meantime, let me also leave on the screen our email. That's DG Makes Math Easy, and that's EZ@gmail.com. Really? Is something really in a wall? Okay. All right. And you can always contact me at 700. Let me try to look at 876 up front. 5836. If you'd also like to be a part of our CXC classes that we host on. You're lucky I eat ice cream. All right. Nice. Someone would want that. All right. So, oh yeah, I can tell you in the chat we wanna have. Okay. So we're gonna see Ragel again with the bread on something. Must be some butter something. But anyway, Anything you eat, you share. You can just tell me, you share. So you can call or email or WhatsApp to be a part of my CXC classes. Hey, Naomi, I learn. All right, big up yourself, Naomi. Janelle, you eat water? All right, give me 1 second there. Mighty Rock. All right. Me I join Rihanna and Janelle. May I eat water? May I drink water? But yeah, eating water. Making so water in there. All right. Big up Tony with him chicken and chips. Him really I got to make jealous. But anyways, we are gonna go to we'll soon move on to the next question. All right. We're hoping to get out of here by 8:30, but it looks like we're gonna be like 8:40. All right. So no worries. Anyway. Samoni. I'm gonna see Samoni tonight. I'm gonna know what. I don't. Janelle, you're bad man. You're bad man. I don't know if I'm not seeing at the chat, but Janelle, bad man. It's really bad man. Anyways. Yes, Anthony, I know it's you. The name can't hide this week. All right, guys, share. All right, so this is the place where you come every Saturday night, 7 o'clock, and we'll come either show off what we already learned or learn something. All right, Janelle with your water. I can't not for eat, but anyways, here we go. We're ready. If we're not ready again, say ready. If we're not ready, say ready. Yeah, me have to make them. I have to make them know I go on Janelle. Sorry, the too bad man. All right, good. Re-energize a little bit. All right, let me clear the entire screen. All right. So we did quite a number of those kinds. I'm just gonna go to, whoa. No, me I wonder if I can see that one here. All right. Let me just ensure you can see this, guys. All right, so Rashid wants to buy a guitar. And the guitar costs $1,240 US. Anyways, so he can't pay this big money, right? But he can pay by monthly installments. Monthly installments and included. All right. So month by month. Oh, yes, Stacy. All right, Stacy had a long day. Okay. All right, so here we go. he agrees to pay a deposit of 5%. You know you have to find that. First of all, 5% of 1240. So you can start find that right now. And then he's gonna also pay 12 monthly installments of $110 every month. Now, everybody know, maybe, hopefully, this is called hire purchase. Pretty much a lot of what Chords, Sing, and some other places do, where you can buy furniture, you can buy phone, on you trust it. Well, you don't really trust it because you have to pay one little bit, right? So you pay a little money up front because you can't pay all of it at once, and then you can go ahead. Hold on, my YouTube is a little bit backwards, right? Then you can go ahead and pay down little something, and then after that you pay month by month. If you know me, I talk about say it. All right, so on 3/4 time, when you buy things for hire purchase, oh, the words are behind me. All right, so when you buy things on hire purchase, then you know say, bokey dogs. All right, so me answer the question. I'm seeing answers coming in. So you know 3/4 time you end up pay like enough more on the money. You might see something for 80 grand and you end up pay $200,000 for it. But yeah. So let's work out how much Rashid will pay for the guitar when he pays by monthly installments. All right, we start to answer already. So let's go. So the guitar costs $1,240. He's paying a 5% deposit. So deposit. This is how you show the teacher your workings, by the way. Deposit is 5% of $1,240. All right, 5% of $1,240. Tell me where you get. All right, and somebody had sent the answer, which would have given us $62. All right. As we see 1 or 2 answer, I may probably move on since we're coming down with the time. All right. Plus in my pay every month installments. Every month in my pay like $110, and he's doing this for 12 months. How much money that? They pay the deposit and they pay the money here every month, $110 for 12 months. How much money exactly? Oh, all right. Big up to Adrian and I think it was Kay and what the name did we go again? All right, and all the other persons who newly subscribed. All right, 110 times, and I'm pay this for 12 months. What do we get? First of all, remember me telling you, indefinitely I got end up pay more money. Nobody now tell us say, oh, Miss Gordon, you can take a whole year to pay. I will give you fearless price. All right, so I see the answer coming in, $1,320 for the installments, right? So if it say how much will you pay for the guitar, give me the final thing now. What would the answer be? Oh, no, Naomi, it was 12 monthly installments. All right, not 10 of them, not 10, 12. All right, 12 monthly installments. Okay, I see answer now. I see it. All right, so what would be now the final cost for this guitar that Rashid wants? All right, guys, of course, like Stacy, if you have to leave, then you can always, rewatch the live by yourself. Just that it's more fun when you're here. All right, so what would be the final money? Let's take a next piece some candy. Bad mind journal. Oh. All right, good job. Hello, Eddie. I'm not sure if Ja your first name, but anyways. All right, so welcome. So that would have been 1382, and that is correct. All right, that is indeed correct. Yes, Janelle. At least you're not a bad man for nothing. All right, so the total money, it does show your workings and say it's gonna be the 5% MPA before plus the 1320 and all on the correct $1,382. Carlene, when you get here, I think you're a tiny bit behind. So you can just skip to the end of the live. All right. Yeah, guys, and that's the so we probably have the screenshot because just in case you don't have time to write out the whole all of this. All right. We move to the next question. All right, I love this one. So this says the cash price of a stereo set was $1,850. And then the higher purchase price was 20% more than the cash price. I'm just checking to ensure that. Hey, Othniel, good to see you. All right. Here we go. So the cash price, how much is the higher purchase price? Tell me the higher purchase price. All right. Calculate the higher purchase price. You said to yourself, say, it's 20% more than the cash price. So we know already that the higher purchase price is going to be the $1,850 plus 20% more of that same $1,850. All right. So you might want to find out what this is first. All right. So you find out the 20% value first and tell us what it is. And I see answer 370 coming in for our 20% value. 300, and that is correct. 370. All right. Dollars. And when we add that to the original cash price, how much will that be? How much will that be? Higher purchase price is equal to, tell me the final answer. That not look good. All right. Good. All right, Naomi, first out the blocks on that one. That's gonna be $2,220. That's it for our higher purchase price. All right, so we would have answered part A. So while I talk, I'm not gonna rub off yet, erase as in. So it's the next part says calculate the number of monthly installments that he would need to buy the stereo on higher purchase. How many months does he need to pay for if he's paying down $500? Remember, I know I'm gonna try to pay off this $2,220, and he needs to pay $500 first, and then a certain number of monthly installments of $215. So we need to find out how much time you need to pay $215 for done the rest of the money. All right. What's the down payment? I'm just gonna write DP. That we said is $500. If I subtract $500 from this, I now have $1,720. How many payments does he need to make to clear off that 1720? How many payments does he need to make to clear off that 1720? How many payments does I don't know why I assume say, you know, it's a man about it. But anyway, all right. So of course you have to subtract the down payment first, right? Your 2,220, because you know how much I'm paying in total. All right. Then any much money left, you have to pay it month by month. So we ask yourself how much time you need to pay $215 to get rid of that bill of $1,720. And I guess after this, we'll just do like one more question. Well. All right. Again, if you're new here and you stayed for the entire life, that's big up you. All right, big up yourself, not the chat. Well, all if you're new here, has me now on the regular people and cuss me off. Big up yourself in the chat if you have stayed for the entire time. Still big up yourself if you also been here from day one, like Rihanna and them people there. All right. When Nicola gone? I miss her and she normally very vocal. All right, that is correct. We would have 8 monthly installments. How will we find out the number of installments? We obviously divide 1720 divide by 215, and that will give us 5 installments. 8 installments, my bad. All right, great job so far, guys. I love the participation. Bring a friend next time, so all of we can enjoy this together. All right. All right, guys, this is almost where we'll end for tonight. All right, this is going to be our last question. Oh my. All right. Yeah, man. I think you must probably screenshot by now. Okay. I'm hoping you can hear me properly. I think my connection just went. So let's see how far we can get. But if the price of the table is $250, what's the price of each chair? Which means we're going to take out the table price out of the $880. All right. And that's going to leave us with $630. 880, subtract the table price, and that's going to be $630. But that's for all 6 chairs. But it asks, what's the price of each chair? Okay. Sorry, darling. There you go. Go ahead and screenshot that. I'll leave it on the screen for about 6 seconds. Okay. All right. So we maybe can go back now. And that 630 divided by 6 now would give me how much? All right. And this will be 105. I might look like I'm going a little fast, but that's because the time kind of coming to an end. All right. Okay. All right. She got it. So that's going to be $105 for each chair. And my apologies. All right. And I may have to just give it this for homework. The dining room suite may be bought on hire purchase with a deposit of $216 plus monthly payments of $35 for a period of 2 years. So I'm about to rub this off. So go ahead if if you're writing it off, do so quickly. So it says we want to buy this $800 something, but on hire purchase, which means deposit of $216 plus monthly payments of $35. For how long? 2 years. And since it's monthly, we're gonna write down how many months, which is gonna be times 24 months. That's the number of months in a year, in 2 years, right? So that would give us our higher purchase price. Go ahead and tell me what you get. All right. So our higher purchase price, again, is our deposit. Good. There's a little formula, but I don't like to just teach formulas. So I just help you make sense of it. It's literally deposit plus monthly payments times how many months. So anyway, all right, what would our answer be? 35 times 24 would have given us 800. I don't know why I'm working upwards. 840. And we add that to our 216. And you will tell me your final answer. Let me see who have it in the chat. Yep. So Jonelle says you would get 1,056. All right. And finally, the extra cost of buying on hire purchase as a percentage of the cash price. So I'm going to take on a time read this, It says the extra cost of buying on hire purchase. So what's the extra cost? 1,050 minus 880. 1,056 minus 880. So that would have been the extra cost, right? Which is 176. And it says extra costs. I remember me telling about as a percentage off. As a percentage off means that you have to put it over what comes next. Over the cash price times 100. And you'd get your answer. All right. I'm afraid I may have to leave you in literally 4 minutes. So you can always finish that up. So you're asked to calculate the extra cost of buying as a percentage off. Pay attention to that. So just put them over them one another. You write down that fraction, then find the percentage. All right. Love you guys. And it's about time for us to hit the road. All right. Yes, guys. So I'll see you next week. Matter of fact, come here Monday, 3 o'clock, Monday to Friday at 3 o'clock for your 3-a-day multiple choice questions. Let's hit the road with multiple choice questions as well. All right. All right. And I'm hearing that the answer is 20%. All right. Good job. Good job, Johnny. Good job, everyone. All right. So yeah, same energy, same time next week, same place, right? So all right. Love you all. Bye-bye. Oh. I don't even. I literally have never seen this. I'm trying to find the option to stop the stream, guys. Ooh, we did. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna hope that the stream will stop automatically. All right, bye guys. All right. All right, peace out.